It's a mother's nature to desire a safe and comforting environment for her children. A home where they can be at peace and lively at the same time. That's how CoreAir can help you. CoreAir's HVAC mounted ionizers use proactive air purification technologies to deactivate airborne virus safely. This is proven to reduce coronavirus surrogate by 99% airborne and 80% on surfaces in just 10 minutes. What makes this technology even more powerful? It's continuous, 24/7. As long as air is flowing into the space, CoreAir ionizers will continue to release ions that combat viruses. For your convenience, this is made safe, low maintenance, easy to install, energy efficient, and highly effective on pollutants such as particulate matter, bacteria, viruses, mold spores, odors, and VOCs. So what are you waiting for? Grab it now! Remember, CoreAir is clean air, the shared solution.